Now, I'm not going to lie to you because what would be the point? It's true, this is quite a large box, but this constitutes half of an entire high-resolution audio system, and a high-quality, high-resolution audio system at that. So let's get this Q Active 400 out of its box. Thanks to the miracles of photography, I'll do the second one very, very quickly, and then we can talk about what's going on inside. That's the top of the speaker, so I'm going to turn it over. Mains power. Right, well, first things first is to put the feet and the spikes on so that they'll stand properly on the floor, and then we can have a good look around them. So there we are, that is a pair of Q Acoustic Q Active 400s, and this in effect is an entire high resolution audio system. As you can see at the front, behind these grills, each of these speakers has two balanced mode radiators behind here. They offer that incredible widescreen 180-degree sound while still remaining really focused and really positive in the way that Q Acoustics likes. Around the back, I'll turn one reel. Or actually from the side might even be easier. You can see these two cutaways here. There are a subwoofer here and a subwoofer here. They both fire in the same direction towards the back of the cabinet. They fire onto a waveguide for precise placement of the sound, and they fire onto this fixed boundary, which means you can put these pretty much anywhere you like in the room, and you can be confident that the bass response is going to be exactly as Q Acoustics intended. 4 drivers, total of 440 watts of power between the 8 drivers in total, which by anyone's measurement is going to be ample. So that is how and why the Q Active 400 look the way they look. When you look at them, what do you think? Well, obviously you think that these are handsome loudspeakers. These are very discreet looking. This doesn't look like it could be an entire audio system. We'll come on to how that works in a moment. But what you will notice is that the BMRs are offset, which means that you can choose to have these firing inwards like so, or simply by swapping the side that they're orientated, you can have the BMRs on the outside. That allows you a degree of fine-tuning in your listening room in terms of the spread of sound and the sort of stereo focus that you want to achieve. And also in terms of when these are in your room, these are available in an equally agreeable matte black finish, as well as this lovely matte white. And the way you turn these two good-looking loudspeakers into an entire system is using this. Q Acoustics calls it a control hub, and basically what this allows you to do is to stream high-resolution audio wirelessly to these speakers from any source at all. If you want to use a smartphone or a tablet or a laptop via Wi-Fi, then these are ready with Spotify Connect, works with Alexa, Google Cast, Apple AirPlay 2, Roon, or on the back of here there are some physical inputs. You can plug in your turntable. There's a switchable phono stage here. You can plug in a CD player or a games console into the digital optical input. There's an HDMI ARC to take the audio information out of your television if you want to get your audio sources involved here, your TV sources. And there's an Ethernet socket as well for network stability. So no matter where you want your audio to come from, vinyl, PlayStation, wherever, you name it, this box will convert the incoming signal to 24-bit 96 kHz digital, and then it will stream it wirelessly and robustly to the Q Active 400s, and from there it's out to you to enjoy. This is an entire high-resolution audio system, one that is no aggravation whatsoever, and one that performs way beyond your expectations when you take the price and the configuration into account. So having set up your high-resolution audio system, controlling it couldn't be any easier. There are a number of physical controls on the front of the control hub. There are input selectors and volume control on each of the speakers. There is a remote control that comes with the control hub, which has all of the functions that you're going to need. And if you have any Amazon or Google speakers on your home network, these work with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. So if you don't mind the sound of your own voice and a bit of shouting to get your own way, then these can be controlled that way too. And that basically is it. That's Q Acoustics Q Active 400 loudspeakers / entire high quality, high resolution audio system. It's like the Q Acoustics Q Active 200 active system, but more so. If you need any more information about these products, about how to set them up, or about the technical specifications that we haven't covered here, you can find all of that on the Q Acoustics website.